Bro, it's time to give that class presentation, and it's time to do it in 3 minutes or less. Just kidding. That's how much time I have to explain it to you. All right, let's start the timer. Shabam, and it's going. Okay, here's what you need to know about giving a class presentation. Simply, you have advantages and disadvantages. If you haven't already seen my video on how to give a presentation for complete beginners, go back and watch that because I'm going to talk about that. I won't have the time in this video to talk about the 5 points very in depth, all right, with your presentations. But I just want to talk about what makes giving a class presentation so unique. And that is simply, you have the advantage of they know you, but that's also can be a disadvantage. If you're with peers, it's an advantage and a disadvantage. Now, the biggest mistakes to avoid here. One is assuming that they know too much about you, or they know all sorts of things about you, and just skipping your credibility part, that second step with your intro when you're giving a presentation. The next thing is, if you spend so much time in the joking around and building that rapport and saying, hey, I'm cool too, like, yeah, let's talk about this, and that you don't actually change their lives. Here's the thing. If you are giving a presentation, I don't care if it's about sedimentary rocks or rocket science or anything, I don't care what the presentation is about, you're still there to help people. And you want to be as authentic as possible. So as you're going through these 5 points, your pre-prep, you're thinking about, what do I want my classmates to get out of this? In your intro, you're giving them reasons to listen to you. No matter what kind of perception they had of you beforehand, they still need to listen to you because you are, in that moment, an expert on the subject. And you want to tell them what they can expect by the end. Now, that gives them strong reasons to stick around and not fall asleep, right? The middle point, you'll want to pull out points that are interesting and add a lot of engagement. Now, the more stories, the more engaging, funny, humorous things that still drive home the point, the better. Now, your conclusion, add a reason for them to take action by the end. Something that they can do immediately to get immediate results. And then in the after game, you're looking to give them reasons to keep doing it in their life. If it's a follow-up, if you say, hey, and by the way, I want you all to take this survey, here's the link, that's the action. Like, here's the link, go take the survey, and then maybe a week later, you do a follow-up on the survey that you sent out, okay? Now, when you're giving a presentation, just have fun with it. Know that you're there to care about the people, and you're there to overcome objections they have to taking an action on whatever you are sharing with them, okay? Hopefully that's helpful for you guys. Let's look at the time, shall we? Oh, 25 seconds left. Okay, this channel is all about public speaking and presenting hacks in 3 minutes or less. And if that's you, I would love it if you would subscribe. That would be awesome. We'll see you next time.